Assalamualaikum. We are excited to present our findings and insight on an issue that affects all of us, which is the environmental impacts of dishwashing practices in Malaysian restaurants. This topic sheds light on the hidden challenges of everyday activities and explore innovative, eco-friendly solutions to make our practices more sustainable. Together, we aim to contribute to a cleaner and healthier environment. Let me begin by introducing myself, Muhammad Yafiz Peroshdi. We are Group 2 from Section 1 of the Introduction to Environmental Engineering Technology course. My team members are Muhammad Ahmad Faiz bin Muhammad Saidi, Nur Wazifa binti Zakaria, and Ahmad Falah Salihin bin Ahmad Afami. Each of us contributed to a various aspect of this project to ensure its success.
My name is Ahmad Falah Salihin. I will talk about research introduction. The food service industry in Malaysia is facing increasing scrutiny for its environmental impact, particularly its dishwashing practice. Traditional method use a large amount of water and harsh chemical, leading to water scarcity and pollution. The industry needs to adopt eco-friendly practice such as transitioning to eco-friendly dishwashing technology to reduce water usage and minimize harmful substance released into the environment.
Our research focused on several key objectives. Firstly, we examine current dishwashing practices in Malaysian restaurants, specifically their water usage, chemical pollutants and wastewater management. Secondly, we assess the environmental impacts of these practices to understand their contribution to water pollution and resource depletion. Next, we propose practical and sustainable solutions, including water recycling technologies and biodegradable detergents to mitigate these effects. Finally, we aim to enhance collaboration among stakeholders and promote education on eco-friendly practices. Our ultimate goal is to encourage sustainable dishwashing methods that are both environmentally and economically viable. The motivation for our research stems from a significant problem. Current dishwashing practices in Malaysian restaurants contribute to high water consumption, chemical pollution, and energy use. These issues lead to water pollution, resource depletion, and increased waste generation. Moreover, there is limited awareness and adoption of eco-friendly alternatives such as water-efficient technologies and biodegradable detergents, which could address these challenges. Without intervention, these unsustainable practices could further harm our environment and public health. Our study highlights these concerns and aims to provide actionable solutions to ensure a more sustainable future.
I will be presenting literature review. Let's start with the causes of environmental impacts. One of the primary issues is excessive water consumption. Research indicates that restaurants can use between 3,000 to 5,000 gallons of water daily for dishwashing alone. This high demand not only strains local water resources but also contributes to broader sustainability challenges. Additionally, the use of chemical detergents, particularly those containing phosphates and surfactants, poses risks. These chemicals can lead to water pollution, adversely affecting aquatic ecosystems and local biodiversity. Moving on to the impacts of dishwashing practices, the environmental consequences extend beyond just water consumption. Improper disposal of wastewater, often laden with harmful chemicals, can result in soil degradation and block drainage systems. Moreover, inadequate waste management policies exacerbate these issues. The accumulation of solid waste, including food scraps, complicates waste management efforts, leading to increased landfill waste and associated environmental problems. Now let's discuss the stakeholders involved. A diverse range of stakeholders addressing these environmental impacts. Government agencies such as the Department of Environment are responsible for enforcing environmental regulation within the food service industry. However, restaurant owners, staff, and customers are equally important in promoting sustainable practices. Effective collaboration among these stakeholders is essential for implementing environmentally responsible dishwashing methods and enhancing overall sustainability in the industry. Finally, let's look at existing solutions and treatment options. Several innovative strategies have been identified to monitor and reduce the environmental impacts associated with dishwashing practices. For example, adopting water-efficient technologies such as advanced dishwashers designed to minimize water usage while maintaining cleanliness is one effective approach. Additionally, practices like restocking dishes and installing low-flow fixtures can significantly reduce overall water consumption. Furthermore, selecting eco-friendly detergents, particularly biodegradable and phosphate-free options, can minimize chemical pollution and reduce the environmental impact of wastewater. To gain in-depth qualitative insights, we conducted semi-structured interviews with Mrs. Nur Hidayah Ahmad Fikri, one of the food restaurant owner at Cafeteria College Kedaman Belajar Pago, to explore their sustainable dishwashing practices, challenges and strategies. Aiming for in-depth qualitative insights, we recorded and transcribed the interviews to ensure accuracy and reliability of the data collected.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ahmad Faiz bin Muhammad Saidi. Today I will be sharing the proposed solution to improve dishwashing practice in Malaysia restaurant. First, we suggest redesigning dishwashing area. Enclosed space with glass wall will keep dishes clean and visible to customer, which is build trust. Adding grease trap will stop oil and food waste from clogging drains, and proper ventilation will reduce heat and bad odors, making the space more comfortable for workers. Next, restaurants should follow a proper cleaning process: rinse, wash, sanitize, and dry dishes. Staff need to be trained on how to clean properly, use detergent safely, and maintain personal hygiene. Regular pest control is also important to keep safe and clean. For waste, restaurants should separate into food, recyclable, and non-recyclable. Food waste can be composed or donated to charities to reduce what gets thrown away. This helps the environment and support the community. By using better technology is important. High efficiency dishwasher that recycle water can save resource, and eco-friendly detergent can reduce pollution. This change this change make the process cleaner and more sustainable. Finally, restaurants should follow health and safety rules. Regular inspection will ensure that meets Regular inspection will ensure they meet standards, and displaying certificate will reassure customer. Educating staff and customer about eco-friendly practice will also help everyone work together for a better environment. By doing this, restaurant can reduce waste, save resources, and build trust with their customer. Thank you.
For conclusion, the research examined the impact of dishwashing practice in Malaysia restaurant, highlighting the environmental and health risks. They emphasized the importance of proper procedure and using environmentally friendly soaps. The study also suggests that construction of CSC face challenges like limited space and noise reduction. It recommends using grease trap, using environmentally friendly soaps, and using water saving mechanism. It also called for frequent inspection and raising awareness about sustainable practice. And adopting sustainable dishwashing practice can reduce ecological footprint, improve hygiene standard, and increase customer satisfaction.